If your lane assist suddenly stops working, don't panic, because in many cases it's something simple. First, go into your vehicle's driver assistance settings and make sure lane keeping assist is actually turned on, since it can sometimes be disabled accidentally. Keep in mind that most systems only activate above a certain speed and require clearly visible lane markings to function properly. Next, inspect the camera near the top of the windshield and any front radar sensors. Dirt, snow, heavy rain residue, or even a recently replaced windshield without proper recalibration can prevent the system from operating. Clean the windshield area carefully and make sure nothing is blocking the sensors. Also, consider road conditions. Faded lane lines, construction zones, or extremely bright glare can temporarily disable the feature. If everything looks fine, try restarting the vehicle completely by turning it off, opening the driver's door, waiting a minute, and starting it again. In some cases, a brief battery disconnect can reset minor glitches. If the system still refuses to engage, a professional diagnostic scan may be needed to check for calibration issues, sensor faults, or software errors.